try to achieve a real rich goal, which is sublime design solutions and grace in the overall appearance of our products. Ultimate luxury, what we want to express with our products and with these beautiful cars, means the highest level of sophistication in exterior and interior design, sensual purity and fantastic materials in shapes and in proportions. This is the option that we want to give to the people who are interested and beloved with ultimate luxury cars. Well, first, if you walk up to a Mercedes Maybach, the first thing you see and which attracts you is the fantastic grille with its sophisticated solutions in the stacks and in the chrome and the steps and the three-dimensionality. But not talking about one single thing or object in the Mercedes Maybach. It's the summary of everything that makes these ultimate luxuries so wonderful and so admirable in the interior and in the exterior. There are lots of details to mention, but of course it's the space, it's the beautiful design solutions, it's the sophistication of these design solutions in exterior and interior together that creates this wonderful, graceful design.
Thank you.